chili garlic oil. Oh, this is so good. It's good for shawarma or even siomai or wonton. It's so good. Even I use it even on a regular omelette. I put some of these. Oil is so good. Yes, and you can actually do this and sell it as a business. We'll talk about that later. Here we are. There's about a kilo of chili flakes. We're drying it up. We're not gonna use all of it. Some 10-piece red chili, onion and garlic. Yep. We're just drying it up to save it up. Here Ativik is arranging it, getting it ready. Here we are. We're gonna put about a half cup of oil. You can start with more, but we like to do it like this step by step. So we got it. We gotta have it hot enough, but not super hot. And some bay leaf. We're gonna put about two. It's laurel in Tagalog, just to give that good aroma on the oil. Yes, it's gonna be so good. And some black pepper, whole, not crushed, so that the oil, once it gets warm, it gets hot, it starts to soak up or extract the flavors on that. It'll be on the oil. It's gonna be so good. As you can see here, it's getting warmer. Yep. Just mix it like this so that the juices or the flavors get to the oil really good. Yes. Now we let it stay this get this warm for a bit. That's getting ready. All right. Now some ginger. There's about a portion of the ginger. We cut it in thin slices, so that again it's gonna be flavoring the oil. And about 10 cloves or one whole garlic crushed up, of course. So we're gonna get this to brown up and not overcook. We're gonna avoid overcooking this because it's gonna make the oil bitter, and we don't like a bitter oil. So this time, once it's all settled here, we're gonna lower the heat a bit. This way it's medium to low heat. So it's gonna take time, but this is how we get all the good flavors together. All right. Now we let it sit there for a few minutes. And then we mix it thoroughly every other minute, just to make sure it's not burning on the underside or beneath or the bottom, so that it will get brown all together uniformly. Yes. Here we let it sit for a minute again. Yep. And here it is. After a minute, we mix it again thoroughly. Just make sure everything is good. Yes. Oh, it's looking good. It's actually smelling really good, guys. Yes, we mix it some more. This is gonna be really awesome chili garlic oil. Once we get the garlic brown, then we gotta remove it so we can continue with the chili. But for now, we still need to get this brown. So we're gonna sit and mix it for a few minutes. Here, 5 minutes later. Okay, we turn the heat off so it doesn't get overcooked. Now Ate Vicky gonna get the browned up garlic on. We gotta put it on the side first. We're gonna use this later, so when we're mixing up all the ingredients. But we're gonna set this aside for now. So we're trying to figure out how we're gonna strain this. We're gonna remove it. So Ate Vicky decided to she's gonna remove it like this, one by one, before she can pour the whole thing on the strainer. There, let me put this here closer so it doesn't give her a hard time. There, nice. All majority of it is there, so we can pour it on the strainer. Yep, that's it. So now we got put the rest of the garlic there. So the oil the fully flavored oil that we used earlier, now we can put it back on the pan, so we can cook up or heat up the chili. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Here, put the oil back, get the heat on again. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. And of course, at this point, you gotta be careful with your eyes, because as soon as you're here, Ate Vicky is cutting all the 10-piece chili. Because the moment you're cutting it like this, it's frying, the smoke actually hurts your eyes. So you gotta be careful with that, because it's all chili or all hot. There you go. All 10 of it is cut there. Good. Now we make sure this gets cooked really well. This way, the oil will get all the good flavors. Oh, this is gonna be so good. There's a bit of ginger there, lots of garlic. The taste, oh, This is why chili oil is essential for almost every meal that we can do. Yep, now this is all ready now. Set it aside. Add a bit more oil because it looks like it's not substantial enough. Yep, now make sure this stay warm like this. Oh, this is gonna be so so good. Now let's head back to the table, get all the jars ready. All right, let's go. Here we are. We have 3 jars. There's actually one more jar that we already made some chili oil earlier. We're gonna mix that later as an addition. So here, so the Vicky suggested you gotta put some garlic at the bottom first because that really gets mixed once it's in the bottle, so it's gonna take all the taste good to the oil. There you go. And now the chili powder or chili flakes. Sorry, we're trying to just get everything equal in each jar. You speed it up. Like this, and some garlic, and then some chili again. Yes. Oh, now it's really good now. Yes. All right. Now here we are. All 3 jars. Put some oil now. Still warm. We're trying to figure out how to put it properly because the pan that we had that had a spout disappeared. I don't know where my mom put it. I think they took it to Bicol. So here we put this bit by bit. Yes. Okay. So we need more oil. So she's gonna heat more oil. It's gonna be ready. We just sit back here once the oil is warm up. Here it is. Gonna put some more. Oh yeah, as you can see there, the chili flakes, the garlic, and everything is gonna get the flavor really, really good. And plus the oil is already well flavored because we cooked it earlier with some ginger and of course chili. We cooked the chili there. This is something you guys gotta do. It's super good with wonton, or locally we call it siomai. Be it steamed or fried, is gonna be perfect with this. Even fried eggs, omelette, egg fried rice. Oh, this is so good with that. Yep. And of course, this is actually good for business too, because all of these barely reach 300 pesos, and we actually made 4. And there's a lot more leftover chili flakes, and of course garlic and ginger. It's not that expensive, so less than 300 we got to make 4 jars. So that's really not bad for business. You can consider that, right? That's pretty cool. Yep. Now here it is. I'll put some more. Oh, it's bubbling good. It's like the flavor is just extracting from the chili flakes. It's gonna be so so good. Yep, this is really awesome. Oh, look at that. You can use this for lugaw or any other meal. This is perfect. Like even if you're having adobo, you can put a bit of this. Oh, perfect. Or like sinigang with the fish sauce, put a drop of this. It's like awesome. It's gonna be so so good. Yep. Oh, look at this. And the good thing with this, the shelf life is really long. Before you even reach 1 year, this is probably finished. It'll finish in a few months, and it's good. Everyone is enjoying it. Yep, this is so so good, and it's actually good for business too, right? Yes, and of course, if you have anything for the other business, you can click here for the Graham bars. That's also good. Wow, but look at this. I wish you guys could smell this. This is so good. Makes me want to have way, way more rice than usual. Yep, love it. Thanks for watching and subscribe. This way you can check out all the other good stuff here, alright? Yeah.